Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to peel garlic fast and easy. This will be an extremely simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, we have some cloves of garlic. Now, I've seen a lot of people try and peel garlic like this. They start getting the peel and it takes like 5 minutes to do every single one because they're trying to peel it off like that. Now, there's actually a much easier and faster way to do this, okay? It's way more efficient, and if you cook with garlic often, then this will save you lots of time. Now, what you want to do is you want to use the power of rolling between your hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the clove of garlic, place it between the palms of your hands like that, okay? And then the clove of garlic is right there, and then just roll back and forth like that. And what that does is that breaks apart the skin of the clove of garlic. As you can see right there, it's all right there. And look at this. Look, I just simply wipe off the skin, and what we have right here is a completely peeled, look at this, completely peeled clove of garlic. Once again, I'll do it with this one right here. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of skin and peel around it, okay? So what I want to do is place it between the palms of my hands, roll between them, and it's probably already done, but I like to go a little bit extra just in case, like that. And then as you can see right here, a lot of the skin had already fallen off, but look at that. I don't even have to peel it off. It is a completely peeled clove of garlic, and it's literally that simple. That is how to peel garlic fast and easily. It's that simple. Literally, I've shown you exactly how to do it in this relatively quick video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.